Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the brand new Apple iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, this is a smartphone designed, developed and marked by Apple Incorporated. They are the 13th generation flagship of the iPhone. Succeeded the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max, of course. Respectively. They were unveiled on September 10, 2019, alongside a low-end model, the iPhone 11 at the Steve Jobs Theater at the Apple Park by Apple CEO Tim Cook, with a pre-ordering begins September 13 of 2019 and official release on September 20, 2019. And there it is. Whoa. The slogan is, and then there was a Pro. Generation of 13, first release September 20, and it is the predecessor, is the iPhone XS. The related version is iPhone 11. You have the dimensions 144 millimeters. These are 5.7 inches to 71.4 millimeters. These are 2.81 inches to 8.1 millimeters. These are 0.32 inches. And the 11 Pro has a mass of 188 grams. These are 6.60C. The operation system iOS 13, and the system on the chip is the A13 Bionic chip. You have a dual SIM with eSIM gigabit class LTE, up to 30 LTE bands modem. Memory is 4 gigabit LPDDR4X RAM, and the storage in this case is 512 gigabyte. It is also available in 64 and 250 and 6 gigabyte. The battery capacity is 3046 mAh, and you have fast charge cable, or it is fast charge capable with an 80-watt charger. The display on the 11 Pro is 5.8 inches, that's 150 millimeters, with 2436 to 1125 pixels. And all models has 458 ppi Super Retina XDR, haptic touch, white color display, true tone display, 800 CD candela per square meter. Maximum brightness is 1200 candela. Maximum brightness HDR, there it is, with fingerprint resistant all over phobic coating. You have a rear camera of 12 megapixel, Sony Exmor IMX333 inspired. It is a quad LED flash, optical image stabilizer, wide angle and telephoto, not on ultra wide. The quad LED flash, autofocus, ER filter, burst mode, 6 elements lens, 4K video recording at 24, 30 or 60 frames, or 1080p at 30 or 60 frames. Slow motion video with 1080p at 120 fps or 240 fps. Time lapse with stabilization, panorama up to 63 megapixel, portrait mode, portrait lighting, facial recognition, digital image stabilization, dual optical image stabilization, stereo audio recording. These are all the rear cameras. The front camera is a 12 megapixel, burst mode, exposure control, face detection, auto HDR, auto image stabilization, retina flash, 4K video recording at 24, 30 or 60 frames. Also available is 1080p HD at 30 or 60 frames, slow motion video in 1080p at 120 frames, portrait mode, portraiting lightning and emoji mode. The sound comes with the stereo speakers with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos. The connectivity is 2G, 3G, 4G, LTE Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Others is FaceTime audio or video calling, IP68E, IEC standard 6529 splash water and dust resistant, QI wireless charging, USB-C to Lightning connector, and it is fast charging possible. The prominent changes from the iPhone XS are that the models features a new triple lens rear camera system and the new A13 Bionic chip. The iPhone 11 Pro is Apple's first phone to feature a Pro designation, which was previously reversed for larger Apple products. The model is the first iPhone to include an 18-watt fast charger in the box and a Lightning to USB-C cable allowing connection to current Mac computers. And then there was the Pro, a transformative triple camera system that adds tons of compatibility without complexity, an unprecedented leap in battery life, and a mind-blowing chip that doubles down on machine learning and pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Oh, welcome to the first iPhone powerful enough to be called Pro. And you can see on the left side of the phone, you have volume up, volume down, and mute. On the bottom side, you have the Lightning connector port. You see the three lenses of the camera system here. And on the right side, you have a power button, and that it is. But this is enough to have fun with it. These three powerful lenses will give you awesome new camera functions. Oh yeah, the camera is awesome. This is really pro camera system. Meet the first triple camera system to combine cutting-edge technology with the legendary simplicity of iPhone. Capture up to 4 times more theme. Get beautiful image in drastically lower light. Shoot the highest quality video in a smartphone. Then edit it with the same tools you love for photos. You will never shut with anything like this. Oh yeah, 3 cameras. You have an ultra-wide camera, you have a wide camera and the telephoto camera. Oh, this is really awesome for me as video producer. Oh, there it is. Everything is there. So first, let's replace the SIM card. Here's the SIM card. It's a nano SIM card. The nano SIM card is the smallest version of all SIM cards out there. But this is state of the art in modern smartphones. You can see on one side of the chip is an edge, and this edge we have to look. Now take the SIM card extraction tool and have a look on the right side of your smartphone. Here it is. The iPhone on the right side has so a trail on it with this hole in it, and there you can push into it this smart SIM card extraction tool. Only push a little bit, and then you can see the tray would come out immediately. Now you can remove the tray, and you can see there is an edge too. This edge will fix nice with your nano SIM card. The chip is looking into your eyes, as you can see. And now the only one to do is we have to slide back it into the smartphone. Do this easily. Now the smartphone is connected with your new SIM card. The next step is we have to push the right button to boot the system. Now we are going to start the smartphone. After a couple of seconds, we can see the smartphone is talking to us with an hello. Now you can choose your language, and then you have to unlock your SIM card first. The SIM card has a pin. This pin you have to enter here. SIM cards comes with a pin, with a hook, and it is important to get the right number in it. Here we are. Now we are back. Now we are back in the phone and we can go, or we can continue the installation process easily. So yeah, there it is. Now we have to do a little bit of things to set up the phone. We have to get into the Wi-Fi network. We have to connect the iPhone with your Apple ID, and we have to do is learn Face ID, and then we are able to get into the home screen. Here we are. Welcome to your smartphone. Welcome to your iPhone. Here, there it is. We are inside the smartphone now. We have to agree some information for location, for all other stuff. You can choose this. You can read, and then you can choose the right thing for you. So now try the brand new camera system. I like it. Pro camera system. Whoa. 3 things. This is the first triple camera system on an iPhone. You have an ultra wide camera, 30mm focal length, 2.4 aperture, 5 element lens, 120-degree field of view, 4 times more thin, 12 megapixel sensor. This is a right camera system. Then you have the wide camera, 26mm focal length, 1.8 aperture, 6 element lens, optical image stabilization, 100% focus pixels, new 12 megapixel sensor. And the third thing is the telephoto camera, 52mm focal length, larger 2.0 aperture, 6 elements lens, optical image stabilization, 2 times optical zoom, and 12 megapixel sensor. And this is enough. You can see you can slide through all of the camera systems. You can use all of the 3 camera system in one shot. You have some different things to choose. You can make videos, you can make photos, you can make 360 photo, etc. Everything is possible. I like this camera system really much. It is like a professional camera system, the best camera I have seen until now so far. The what was it? Huawei P30 or 60 Pro, I think. This was a mega zoom. But this in this case, in this iPhone, you have so much more. You can have a wide angle picture, a wide angle camera. You can have a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto. 3 camera system in one smartphone. This is awesome. I like it really much. And 360 panoramic photos are awesome too. Here, video easy. You can rotate the camera. You can see where you are going to film now. Easy, and you can use all of the 3 cameras once. Awesome system, awesome quality. I like this smartphone really much. If you take the bigger storage, it is enough space for your photos, for your videos and app stuff. It is a fast thing. 4K video, shoot it, flip it, zoom it, crop it, cut it, light it, tweak it, love it. The iPhone 11 Pro lets you capture videos that are beautifully true to life, with greater detail and smoother motions. Epic processing power means it can shoot 4K videos with extended dynamic range and cinematic video stabilization, all at 60 frames. You get more creativity control too, with 4 times more thin and powerful new editing tools to play with. This is the highest quality video in any smartphone out there. I like it. And the other things are cool too. So that it is, my first look. I will produce so much videos in the future for you. So check my channel out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel soon. Soon.